This is Dr. Bharadwaz. I am Chief Doctor at Fidicus Homeopathy. Topic for the day is allergic rhinitis. We will look deeply into allergic rhinitis. What is the allergic rhinitis and what causes it? What is the conventional treatment and how homeopathy can help you in managing or getting rid of allergic rhinitis. Allergic rhinitis is the inflammation of nasal mucosa. There is a thin layer of cells around your nose, inside of your nose. When there is an allergic reaction against that part of the nose is exposed to allergens. It will react to the allergens. So the reaction produces allergic rhinitis. It's basically the reaction to the pollen or to the allergen by the thin layer around the nose. What are the clinical features? The clinical features include not only the nasal mucosa around the nose, it includes the mucosa of ears, eyes and around the pharynx. Pharynx means inside of the mouth, inside of the ears and around the eyes as well. So the first and the topmost symptom is itching. You will find itching on all the parts and tingling sensation. You will find irritation and also the classic symptom includes anosmia, loss of smell, and also you will find nasal obstruction. Sometimes you will have headache, and also due to this allergic reaction of histamine, so you also find respiratory difficulty that due to bronchospasm. So the bronchi get spasm, they become small due to allergic reaction, and you will have breathing difficulties as one of the important symptoms of allergic rhinitis. We will look into the signs of allergic rhinitis. You will find redness of nose, around the ears and mouth, swelling, it is due to edema, and also running nose, watery discharge. You will have sneezings. When you examine inside of the nose, there might be polyps, and also you can sometimes notice nasal septum is deviated, and also you find enlarged turbinals. These are the signs of allergic rhinitis. What are the investigations? We will evaluate for IgE levels in the blood. IgE is a specific antigen produced to a specific allergen. So the IgE levels in the blood are elevated. What is the cause for allergic rhinitis? The main cause for allergic rhinitis is it is a genetic predisposition. You will have genetic predisposition for a particular allergen. When you expose to that allergen, the allergen may be a pollutant, or it may be pollen, it may be house dust, it may be the dust from a pet, insects, fungi, anything your body recognizes as an allergen causes allergic reaction within the nose. This is due to genetic predisposition. This is the etiology or cause for the allergic rhinitis. And what is the pathology of allergic rhinitis? It is type 1 hypersensitivity, where when you are exposed to allergen, T helper cells stimulate the B lymphocytes to produce antibodies. These antibodies degranulate the mast cells. The degranulated mast cells produce histamine. Histamine causes vasodilatation and the symptoms of inflammation. So this is the pathology. It is basically a type 1 hypersensitivity reaction to a particular antigen. And what is the conventional treatment? Conventional treatment includes antihistamines, decongestants. You have to use sometimes steroids. Sometimes these drugs can be systemic or local. All of these has side effects. It is only temporary relief, and also these are addiction forming. So the conventional treatment which you take will not help you in long run. It is only temporary relief. There are many side effects, and these are also addiction forming. What precautions you have to take for allergic rhinitis? So when you are going outside, try to wear sunglasses so that the allergens will not reach the mucosa. When you are driving, normally you drive the car by closing the windows. That is the best part. Avoid walking in parks. So parks are full of pollen. To avoid allergic reaction, you need to stop walking in the parks if you are allergic to any of the pollen. And also regularly vacuum the house dust. Keep the house and the surroundings of your office clean. And also one more important thing is avoiding the soft toys. Soft toys will have artificial fur which can produce allergic reaction. And also restriction of pets. If you are allergic to any pet, try to avoid the pet and restrict those pets. Mite and pest control. Most of the pests, mites and also even cockroaches can cause the allergic reaction which produces allergic rhinitis. And what is the homeopathic treatment? Homeopathy offers you the best treatment. You can get benefit through homeopathy. Basically, this is a genetic disorder. It is embedded in your genetic code. Homeopathy has medicines to modify that so that you can prevent the occurring of this allergic rhinitis. If the allergic rhinitis is already set in you, we can cure it. If we are not able to cure, we can relieve it. In most of the cases, we can cure and we can prevent this further exacerbation of allergic rhinitis. If you are already addicted to taking allopathic drugs, we can slowly wean off the allopathic treatment, which causes side effects, which are addictive, and which gives only temporary relief in most of the cases. You have direct benefit in homeopathy. You can be cured, you can be relieved, the disease can be prevented. So for consultation, you have both online consultation and in-person consultation. You can reach to us. Thank you.